there, this is Milu and Sojan from Axis Language School, and I'm here to discuss some phrases for likes and dislikes when you speak. For the IELTS speaking test, there might be questions related to your personal likes or dislikes. So instead of simply saying, I like dancing, I like singing, or I don't like singing, you can use some phrases. So the first phrase which we can use is, dancing appeals to me, because it's my passion to become a dancer. So instead of simply saying, I like dancing or I love dancing, we can use dancing appeals to me. Another phrase which we can use is, I get a lot of pleasure out of dancing. So instead of saying, I like dancing, you can use, I get a lot of pleasure out of dancing. Also, you can use the phrase, keen to dancing or I'm keen to singing. Or if you don't like singing, you can say, I'm not keen on singing. And the word keen can also be used as an adjective like I'm a keen swimmer or a keen dancer, like that. If you like singing or doing something for a very long time or for a period of time, then you can use the phrase I'm fond of. For example, I'm fond of dancing or I'm fond of singing. So, these are some of the phrases that you can use for IELTS speaking instead of like or dislike. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.